Unlock the power of automated social media for your Beehiiv newsletter and watch your audience grow. First things first, log into your Beehiiv account once you're in. Navigate to your dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually found in the sidebar or a gear icon within Settings. You'll find a section specifically for integrations. Click on that. Now, on the Integrations page, scroll through the available platforms until you find Kit. You'll likely see its distinct logo. Click on the Connect or Add button next to Kit to begin the integration process. This will typically redirect you to Kit's login page or prompt you to create an account. If you don't already have one, enter your Kit account credentials and authorize the connection. Back in your Beehiiv integration settings, you should now see Kit listed as connected. Here's where the magic happens. You can often configure how Kit interacts with your Beehiiv content. This might include selecting which newsletters you want to promote or setting up automated posting schedules. Once connected, you'll be able to use Kit's intuitive interface to create social media posts that automatically pull in your latest Beehiiv articles. Schedule these posts to go out at optimal times to reach your entire audience. Imagine effortlessly sharing your valuable newsletter content across Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more, all without lifting a finger for each individual post. It's about amplifying your reach and driving more engaged readers to your Beehiiv newsletter. And that's it. You've successfully connected Beehiiv and Kit, setting yourself up for seamless content promotion and boosted engagement. Start automating your social media marketing today.